Yes, and it's Mimi.
Yeah.
Gusto mo yan? Gusto ko yan! Like ka din na yan! Oh, let's start it! Like a love. Hello! Hello, darling! Yes, mga karakam to the Brown and Venice Diaz iyo si Dora de Zamboanga. Ha!
Yakan
Confirm ko ni sila sa abla. Natakan saya kita. Buenas noches, mga karakam to the world, and I am Dora de Zamboanga. Bien. Mareng.
Ganda ka.
Ebo, ganda bo.
Come on, Dora! 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 Dora de Zamboanga! Elegant senadora! Negra, chingona, bonita, palolita! Elegant Dora! Dora! Ella bien bonita!
Yes, and buenas noches, mga karakam to the world. Yes, bienvenue and welcome to my channel. Yes, and welcome to my channel, mga karakam to the world. And I am Dora de Zamboanga. Sa lahat po ng bago sa mga channel ko, please subscribe po and of course press the bell button para at least we are keep updated on my YouTube account. But this time, ladies and gentlemen, mga karakam to the world, nakikita aura kasi it's the preliminary edition for our Queen Festival 2019. So, bukas na bukas po ang Grand Coronation Night. So, ngayon, nandito kami and actually, done na po ang lahat ng mga exposure but they have a one-on-one interview together with our judges. So, nagsisimula na po yung mga kandidata natin para sa I will keep you updated and i-interview natin sila mamaya-maya mga karin. Para at least kilalanin natin kung sino-sino ang mga kandidata na hindi lang taga-Zamboanga lahat. Ha? Oo. Hindi taga-Zamboanga, pero de on lugar, otro lugar, Chalabi, Davao, Cebu, and everything. Correct? So mga karakam to the world, just keep on moving. Bye!
Sa layo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, ang baba ng mic. Ako po'y naniniwala na ang pagiging bakla ay hindi masama sa mata ng Diyos, sa mata ng tao, o sa mata ng lipunan. Bagkos wala kaming ginagawa na ikinasasama ng aming kapwa. Kahit paluhurin mo man kami ng asin, or ipitay ng patiwarik, bakla kaming isinilang, bakla din kaming mamamatay. Maupay nga gabi kaninyong tanan, maupay pangit, maupay pilian, maupay way kwarta, maupay sosyalan. Ang babaeng nasa inyong harapan ay ang babaeng kutis porcelana, babad sa aircon. Hold your shout, hold your breath, and hold your bad breath. My name is Penelope Mimi Arawilan. 16 ang tirada. And I am very much proud, honored, dignified to represent my place, where you can find the most beautiful places, the Enchanted River and Sinoyan Falls. I bring you Surigao del Sur. O bagong muhawa sa inyong atubangan, adunay pasumbingay nga gabilin kaninyong tanan. Walay bayot na masumbagan, matadyakan, or masipaan kung mubayad lamdaan.
Yes, mga Karakal to the world, and we are here. Sa backstage po tayo ngayon. Kasi tapos na sila actually, but nagbibihis pa yung mga ibang kandidata. But this time, syempre, we will interview one of the candidates dito ngayon sa 2019 Queen Festival. Okay, so ang first candidate natin, ang nandito yung taga...
Yes, I'm from Lapu-Lapu City in Cebu.
Lapu-Lapu City.
Hi everyone! Hello na! Yung gabi ka natin tanan.
Okay, ang ganda
Good
mo
evening.
nga.
Thank you so much. Well, I have to. This is a beauty pageant, so everyone has to be beautiful. You are too very beautiful. Ang ganda.
Thank you so much. Dapat binabalik talaga. With scarcity, kasi binabalik talaga yan siya. Check.
No, it's not scarcity. It's equal distribution of resources. Both are beautiful.
Bongga talaga. Picture muna tayo, ma.
Okay, sure.
Dito.
Okay,
Okay.
so what is your experience, mami, na sumali dito? Ay, paano mo na nalaman na may mga pageant pala dito?
Well, actually, ang dami ko nang alam about beauty pageants in Zamboanga. I've learned it from Mikay and also my handler, Miss Nia. And I have some few friends in Zamboanga. Actually, this is my second time going here. Ang dami na nilang in-invite sa akin ng beauty pageant. And then ngayon, nagka-time ako because I really want to join pageants in Zamboanga. Not just to join the organization, but of course to be a part of the family of Zamboanga. Kasi I've experienced a very, very warm welcome since my first day here.
Wow! Kung kayo na talaga, no? Witty talaga. But anyways, ang ganda mo, ma. I am very amazed kasi ngayon lang talaga ako naka-interview ng ganun kaganda.
Oh,
Kasi, dito sa Zamboanga lahat ito ang basihan ng ganda. Kasi pag ganito ang basihan ng ganda ko, saya lang iyon. Agal-agal yan lang kita, be. So, but anyways, ayan mga Karakal to the world. So, more pa, marami pa talaga. So, you can invite them for tomorrow kasi i-upload ko yan mamaya-maya.
Yes, I'm actually inviting everyone, kung sino man nanonood, like after you uploaded, lahat kayo, you are all invited to be a part of the celebration of beauty and of course, most especially diversity. This is what they say, that this is not tolerance anymore, but this is a full acceptance. It's because we are having this pageant, and then we're having this pageant, and because of this pageant, we are giving awareness to these people that the LGBTQ, my sister, me, myself, and the rest of our friends truly exist. Thank you so much.
Wow.
And to the organization too, thank you. Tomorrow naman yung pageant namin, Coronation of
Correct!
Astoria.
Bukas na po ha. Huwag mo yung
Opo.
kalimutan ha. I-support natin si Lapu-Lapu City, from Cebu.
Well.
What is your name again, mami?
Maria Paula Vega Espina.
Wow, sino makeup artist mo ngayon?
Miss Nay, thank you so much pala.
Si Ma'am ni Apolinario?
Ni Alparo.
Ni Alparo, hello! Kilala ko yan.
Baka naman.
Tabong Biase.
Baka naman.
Ni Alparo, baka naman ako din ha. Oo.
Uy, panak na siya for bukas.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mga Karakal to the world, another candidate na i-interview natin ngayong gabi kasi ang gaganda talaga nila mga Karakal to the world. So this time, after tayo sa Lapu-Lapu City, dadako naman tayo sa Surigao. Ayan.
Hi everyone.
Ano ka? Surigao del Norte o del Sur? Surigao del Sur. Surigao del Sur. So, Bisaya talaga. So, magbisaya ka naman, no? Para sa amin.
Mayong gabi sa atong tanan diha sa nananaw. Dahang salamat sa pag-support sa akong friend.
Sa akong friend. Hindi, let's support them kasi bukas na po yung pageant. Paano mo nalaman na may pageant pala dito na Queen Festival 2019?
Actually, Mikay Arcacho is the one who invited me. We are close. We've been competing for different beauty pageants all over Mindanao. So she's the one who is inviting me. And even
naging interesado ka rin, di ba?
Opo, kasi ang Queen Festival is considered as one of the prestigious pageant all over Mindanao.
Correct. Oo, kaya nga. Thank you so much sa pagsali, ha? Oo. Kamusta naman yung accommodation nila dito? Yung mga, what can you say about the people of Zamboanga?
The people have a good heart to always embracing our sexuality, especially us transgender, and I would like to thank all the people who is like accommodating us warmly and for truly embracing us for who we are and what we are as individuals.
In fairness, ang ganda mo, ma'am. Ha? What is your name again?
My name is Mimi.
Mimi! So, let's support Mimi po for tomorrow sa event namin na Queen Festival 2019 and representing Surigao del Sur.
Bye-bye.
Okay, yes, and mga karakol to the world and after sa Lapu-Lapu, dadako tayo sa Surigao del Sur. And this time, syempre, dito sa Zamboanga and we have representative also from Zamboanga City. Uunahin na natin si Nunok. Si Nunok. Hi po, ma'am.
Buenas noches.
Name po?
Bianca Ledesma.
Yan, si Madam Bianca from Sinunok talaga.
From Sinunok.
Correct. Okay,
Yes,
so,
from Sinunok.
what is your experience, ma'am Bianca, here?
So far,
Yeah, so
I'm
far.
enjoying so far and I'm so happy and excited.
Correct. In fairness, ang ganda din ni Ma'am Bianca. Lalaban din talaga ang mga Chabacana. Correct, oo. So, are you pure Chabacano?
Yes,
or
pure Zamboangueña.
pure Sambangueña? So, you can invite them into Chabacano.
Sí, te invito yo con ustedes todo. Mañana a las 7 de la noche en Astoria Plaza.
Correct?
Hace Kundisidi Ating Show, El Festival Queen 2019.
Correct. So, let's support po si Nunog Zamboanga City. Yes, Bianca Ledesma Roca. Bukas na bukas po, ha? Oo. Maraming salamat, ma'am.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Because she is from Dipolog City. Correct. Hi po, ma'am.
Hello po.
So, what is your name?
Kim,
Ang tangkad mo, what is your height?
5'6".
5'6", ha? Si Kim talaga. Go. Kamusta man yung stay mo dito sa Zamboanga?
Maganda po.
Maganda. Pero hindi ka na umuwi sa Dipolog or umuwi ka pa? Umuwi ka pa talaga. Pero bukas, hindi na. At dito ka na magstay mamaya. Okay. So, bukas na bukas po yung ano natin, no? Ilang taon ka na, by the way, Dipolog?
15.
Ikaw ang pinakabata or
Hindi
not?
po, dalawa po.
Dalawa pala sila ang pinakabata dito ngayon sa Queen Festival. So, 15 ka lang, so you are high school, right?
Yes.
Oo. Ano sa tingin mo ang lamang mo sa kanila kahit high school ka lang?
Hi.
Aside from height, ha?
Beauty.
Correct. Dapat ganun talaga. Dapat confident tayo, no? Beauty talaga, best, no? Pero in fairness, ang ganda-ganda mo. Kahit ano lang talaga, ha? So, you can invite them na for tomorrow's event.
Ni-invite ko po yung manood ng Queen Festival tomorrow at Astoria Plaza. Thank you po.
Okay. Thank you so much, Madam Dipolo, ha? Okay, thank you din. Kim. It's Kim, ba? So, let's go mga karakanda to the world and on the Silatang Stay. So, takikita aura ni Cecil's, anong tawag dito? Pension house. Pension house ba? Resort
Malay ko
ata
ba?
yan.
Ano yata to? 5 star?
No, it's Cecil's.
Cecil's Resort World.
Cecil's Resorts World! Ayan! So, it's a big event here at Aki lang na Cecil's, no? So, mga karakanda to the world, let's watch and see kung ano-ano talaga yung mga ginagawa ng mga trans women natin na sumali dito ngayon. Kaya, so, come ka! So na. Po ng mga candidates nandito ngayon and that my really friend na sumali din talaga and I support her for that. No? Thank you so much. Nandito na siya. Hi! Dali si Giwan.
Oh my God!
Si Giwan, ganun.
Yes!
Oo. Si Giwan, no? At si Waki.
Yes! Waki Alcanjil.
Waki. Paano mo masabi na because all your pictures are Waki na?
Yeah, exactly.
No. In fairness, ito ang pinaka-witty na friend ko.
No, the stronger candidate, don't you know about that?
Stronger candidate.
Yawa mo! Kailangan ihigda na ang tanan.
Oo, pero in fairness, si Waki nag-join talaga and she is overqualified.
Yes, because I want to conquer the stage, don't you know?
I hope you will conquer the stage.
I hope I can bring home the crown. Then after that, I will ask you, where's the
Yes, you can bring home the
Yeah,
crown.
I will buy it, don't you know? How much is the crown?
Talaga ka kumpra lang ganila yung crown, ganito agad ka.
Di ba, Ida?
Oo, lift ka agad.
Para nila kung mga hente, uy, nanganin siya, huwag ka may...
So, ganito na lang, yung question ko sa'yo. Ano
question?
Ano i-expect?
Magulo naman ang buhay natin.
Ano i-expect ng mga madlang people sa'yo yung mga Karak and Roll to the World bukas?
So, watch na lang kayo. Doon na kayong ticket, doon na kayo mapadita sa labas. Ha? Yan ang advice ko.
Okay, so thank you so much mga Karak and Roll. Thank you so much, Madam Waki from Giwan, Zamboanga, and she is one of the candidates also. Yes, mga Karak and Roll to the World, and we are done interviewing the Giwan, Zamboanga City. And this time, syempre, dadako naman tayo sa Davao. Ayan, from Davao City.
I like your hair.
Hello, thank you so much, ma'am. Galing yan sa ano ko. Super Serena. You want? Super Saiyan talaga. Correct. You are from Davao City.
Davao City.
Sa ano talaga? Sa not the tour na
No, Davao City talaga. Kung saan nakatira yung ating mahal na president.
Wow, correct. But anyways, madam, paano mo nalaman na may pageant dito pala?
Nalaman ko lang sa radyo, char lang. Nalaman ko sa friend ko na si Maria Micay Arcache, isa sa sikat din dito sa Zamboanga. So, she invited me since last year. So, right now, I'm here to compete and represent Davao.
Tapos ano yung masasabi mo sa accommodation ng Zamboanga?
Napakabait yung mga Zamboangueños. The food is really delicious and our accommodation is very nice and comfortable. So, we're very happy. It's like a vacation. It's not like a competition for me.
Hello, bongga talaga.
Vacation.
Vacation lang pala talaga. Pero at least, di ba, friends na pala talaga lahat kayo, di ba?
Opo, some of the candidates, ngayon ko lang sila nakilala. So, joining beauty pageant is also meeting a lot of other people to know them at least. At least may friends ako dito sa Zamboanga.
In fairness, mga Karak and Roll to the World, it's a big event kasi ngayon, may one-on-one interview pa kayo, di ba?
Opo, closed-door interview.
Closed-door interview pa sa lahat ng mga candidates. So, madam, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
So, let's support po Davao City for tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
Good luck po talaga.
Thank you so much.
Yes, and mga Karak and Roll to the World. And actually, done na po talaga the preliminary competition. Preliminary. Amaya ba, Kel? Preliminary? Preliminary? Oh, preliminary? Oh, ebo ya, perfect. Ebo ya. Hindi ayo. Ebo ya. Okay, guys. We are about to end our preliminary. Oh! Preliminary! Rock and roll! Okay. Preliminary. So, bukas na bukas po yung coronation night, ha? So, mga Karak and Roll to the World, thank you for watching my video. And sa lahat po ng hindi pa nakawatch ng video ko, sa lahat po ng hindi pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na po for my YouTube channel. And of course, share and like kung nagustuhan niyo yung video, ha? Kung may suggestion po kayo na kung anong gagawin ko, gagawin natin lahat, ha? Aray. Check. So, mga Karak and Roll to the World, bye! Ayan, iyo si Dora de Zamboanga. I'll firmly con ustedes habla that you cannot depend your happiness to anyone else. Because you yourself, you can keep happiness on your own. You're on it. Bye.